Hey everyone, it's Emil from Web Hosting Canada with your daily incident update for Monday, September 6th. It's 5 p.m. We've been making progress all day. Accounts are starting to come up across the board, so we're getting restorations completing from servers Bishop and Clark. Drummond will start shortly. We expect the process to maybe begin later tonight or early tomorrow morning. Restores are slow, but within a few days, we hope to have completed most of them. We're also expecting a relatively high success rate. So there is some data corruption, but we are relatively confident that we are able to resolve a lot of the data corruption issues as well. So you'll likely be working with the support team over the next few days if you are experiencing any such issues, and we'll be posting some additional FAQs and information to how to resolve any issues that might arise once you've successfully recovered one of our courtesy backups. Keep checking in at whc.ca/incident for regular updates, and I'll see you tomorrow with another update.